Hi guys, welcome to my video Festive Fun with Microsoft Designer. For this video I'll be taking you through all the options that Microsoft Designer has. You can find Microsoft Designer by going to designer.microsoft.com. You will have to log in with your personal Microsoft accounts. Once you've done that, you'll get to this screen. In this screen you'll have various templates that you can choose from. You can make custom images for your projects, avatars, a unique greeting card, wallpapers and backgrounds for your phone or your laptop or computer, or for example, coloring pages. What you also will see in the top is boosts. Boosts are basically a fast track through for the design process. If you don't have a personal Microsoft 365 subscription, you'll have 10 a day. Once you run out, you can still create images. It will just take a little bit longer. Well, I want to make something in the Christmas spirit, so I want to make a coloring book, a coloring page. And this has been happening all day, which is kind of annoying, because this always happens once you want to create a video. I will keep editing, I will keep opening until it works. If you find a design that you really like, you can just click on it and edit the book. Or you can edit the prompt yourself. You can just edit the little words in here, or you can just edit the entire prompt. And we want a simple illustration of Santa Claus in his sleigh with his that is being pulled by his 9 reindeers. The sleigh is traveling through the sky with snow-covered rooftops below it. We leave this part of the prompt, and then we click generate. This might take a little longer, and if Designer doesn't want to work, I have tried this yesterday and I have a couple of examples ready, but it would be nice if it works. There's something wrong on our end. We have discovered it earlier. Try once more. And once again. I mean, you'll see that this always happens when you decide to actually record the video. Well, let's just use the one I already made yesterday. This is one of the ones that I used. I really like this one. This would make a fine coloring page book for any visitors, young visitors you have around Christmas. As you can see, it has used my boost, even though it says there's something wrong on our end, which is a bit of a shame. I will show you through other things I have made yesterday. As you can see, this is the frame that I've used to frame the video. You can just quite easily remove the background and then use this as a video overlay in your video. Let's see if something else works. Back to Microsoft Designer. Let's see if we can edit with AI. I want to restyle an image, and I want to use one of my lovely cat. And restyle, well, this is just a standard thing. Now we get back to not available. Restyle image. I agree. I have already uploaded something to Designer earlier. I will want to use this picture of my cat. Okay, we're gonna select what would be good. Oh, I want to make let's go with a modern cartoon. Okay, and I want to add a Christmas tree, gifts, and candy canes. And then we click generate. Once again, there's something wrong on our end, which is not the best for this video, but I've done this exact prompt yesterday, and these were the results. As you can see, it doesn't look entirely like my cat, because my cat looks more like this. But it makes some really nice custom images, and it did add everything that I wanted. And lastly, you can completely design from scratch. Which I'm not sure if it wants to work for us today. Let's say I want to make a post for Instagram. There we go. It comes with a couple of templates you can choose from and then edit as you want. We can also search templates for Christmas. Okay. Joy to the world. Yes, we want to continue the layout. Well, maybe if I open it in a stable version, it has a better result. Go. I want to search Christmas. You can also add your own media to this. Everything you've generated with Designer is here for you to put in here. So if I want to put the picture of the cat in here, I can add the picture of the cat. Or we can also just remove everything and just add this picture. Make it a bit bigger. Grab text. There are loads of fonts to choose from. And we're gonna go with a handwritten font. Which one's good? It's always good when your headset switches itself off. I'm gonna go with a joy to the world, a Merry Christmas. And once you're happy with your design, you can click download. You can copy the image, send it to your phone. You can download as PNG, a JPEG, or a PDF. You can even make the background transparent if you want a transparent background for anything. And anything that you've ever created with Designer will also show up here. Something else that this designer app can do is remove backgrounds. For example, we'll pick this one. I want a new design. Actually, I'll start with a new design. Here we have my media, and I have created this image. There we go. And there's some AI tools to do with this. You can do generative arrays, which means you can, like, it recognizes all these separate objects, which you can then erase. You can remove the entire background. There, I want to remove the background. Now it's just a girl. If you want to go back, you can go back with the buttons in the top, or you can just go back to restore as original. You can also blur the background, which is hard to see because of the picture that I've used. And now I can hear you think this probably only works with a generated image, and no, it does not. Let me find a different picture of something that I've uploaded. Oh, here, uploaded to Designer. Let's take this one, for example. Let's take this picture. Right, and I want to remove the background. There we go. Now the entire background is gone. Or I just want to remove certain objects. How do I go back to this? Okay, I want to generative erase some parts. And see, it recognizes every single bit that is here. It recognizes this painting, this part of the stairs, this stairwell, the box that my cat is sitting on, and the side of the box, and every individual little leaf it also finds. So let's say I want to remove this entire painting. Click erase objects. Usually this goes a lot quicker than it's currently doing. Let's give it another go. Generative erase, this one, and erase. Ah, see, it worked, and it's now filled up, and you can hardly tell there was ever a painting there. Let's also remove the top of the stairs. And let's remove this second painting. There we go. Now there's a completely clean wall behind the cat. Yes, I want to continue. Now in this designer you can also generate pictures, or you can use one of the many pictures that are in here. And let's see if there is a Santa hat in here, or if we have to generate one. Oh, look, see, there is a Santa hat. Let's give him a little Santa hat. Let's pick this one. Okay, we need to remove the background for this one. And there we go. There. So you can also use it as a very basic image editor. However, it is free for you to use. Most other programs will ask you for a subscription to use these features. Okay, now let's see if I can now restyle an image without getting an error. Okay, I want to add an image that I've uploaded to Designer. We'll use this one and select. We select the style. We want it in a modern cartoon. And as background objects, we want a Christmas tree, wrapped gifts, and candy canes. Generate. Look, it works. Well, I find this one to be super cute. What this one? This one has a lot of candy canes. Yes, I really like this one. I'm gonna download this one. And I'm gonna download the image. That one is super cute. Alright, so let's say you want some personalized Christmas cards. You can make them you can obviously make them yourself, but the good thing about Microsoft Designer is you don't have to be creative to make something really nice. So let's see if there's a prompt that I like to start with. No, I don't, but I will just make a greeting card. Hey, I want to make a Christmas card to my who shall I make this card out to? Let's make this to my mom, and we'll call her my mom Anne. To my mom Anne. The card has to contain a Christmas tree outside in a snowy environment. The tree is decorated with colorful baubles and lights. The text on the card says Merry Christmas. And let's see what this does. Well, while this is trying to load, it's very important that you use a good prompt to get what you want. If you want anything in a specific style, you'll have to define the style that you want your image in. Any use of color, any backgrounds, anything that you want that for you would be very obvious. Like, I want my picture to look like this. You have to put it in your prompt exactly like that. Make sure you don't make any spelling mistakes, because that makes it hard for the AI to understand what you want exactly. And meanwhile, our cards are done. I kind of like this one. Let's see, here we have our Christmas card, which you can then download or edit the text if you want to edit the text. If you download this, it comes in a JPEG, and the text will be underneath the card itself. Is that designer still having some issues? One of the things that I actually use a lot is icons. I use a lot of icons in my presentations and in my blogs. I really like this standard style. Here you can see my creations. I really like sloughs, but it's just kind of difficult to find pictures of sloughs with everything that I want. I'm not good enough at creating anything myself, but luckily Microsoft Designer is here. And if I want, this is one where I wanted to make a picture that pretty much sums up my 3 hobbies in one. So it has a dog, a cat, it has Lego bricks, very oversized Lego bricks, and a controller. But for this video, we could also create a sloth wearing a red Santa Claus hat. The style is cartoonish. The style is cartoon-like. And we generate. So let's use this one actually. I download this one. And we will use this one in the final video once we're done editing. All right, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video. I'm really sorry about all the hiccups in the video, but that's kind of what happens when you decide to either do a live demo or record a video. The demo devil will get you and, well, does fun things like this. But at least we got to make a couple of examples. To show you what you can do with Microsoft Designer. I hope you'll have a lot of fun making your own custom images. This video is made for the Festive Tech Calendar 2024. They have a website as well. There, the Festive Tech Calendar. This year, the team is raising money for the Beatson Cancer Charity. If you can make a donation, please do make a donation. You can find the link on the website. Yeah, thank you very much for watching, and I wish you happy holidays.